Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am, the first week I am decorating in my Hobonichi Cousin Avec for July through to December. I thought it would say that there, but it doesn't. It says it on the front. And for the first week of, well, it's not the first week of July, but you know what I mean. I'm using my strawberries collection. And this is going to be releasing on Friday, July 7th. And this release is a little earlier than what I've been doing recently, but I really like to release things on the first Friday of the month. But anyway, this is what the collection looks like. You've got the strawberry deco sheet. Like, I love the way they look. Then you've got the swatches, and I did these slightly differently because they actually look fuzzy, which is what I wanted to go for. It was the type of brush that I used in Procreate. And then you have the circles, which again look a little fuzzy because I wanted them to kind of look like the leaves and the strawberries as well, like if you can see that detail. And then you've got the quote and washi. Let's get started. All right, so I went ahead and filmed my week's reel, and so I've used a couple of stickers already, but that's okay. Let me find, here we go. I wanted to use this washi because it reminds me of just like the basket that you would get a bunch of strawberries in, so I thought it worked really, really well with that. So I can't even remember where I got this. Was it the washi tape shop? I can't remember for the life of me where this was from. So just ripping a little bit, and already I feel like it's gonna run out, but I would prefer to actually use my stuff and finish and then have to rebuy if I want to, rather than having all of it just pile up. There we go. Oh my gosh. Should I go at the top or the, actually I like it at the top. Oh, cute. I like that very, very much. Although I feel like I should have added a circle, but that's okay. I'm gonna add a circle here. And then, should I do the same thing, but maybe this time at the bottom? Yes. Let's, or, no, I'm gonna do just a few bunches of like the smaller deco. Cute, cute, cute. Oh, I really like that. You know, when I was doing the strawberry collection, I wasn't confident that it would turn out the way that I wanted it to, but I'm actually really happy with how that turned out. Yay! And I like the quote, "Strawberry is my jam," because it is. I do love strawberry jam. Okay, so I'm gonna place, I think I'm gonna use a green one, or before I do that, I'm actually gonna use washi in that corner instead, with one of the circles maybe, and then a tiny strawberry on top. So let's do the strawberry circle. I like that this circle actually looks like a strawberry. And then do the tiny sticker on top, like so. Very nice. And then it's so like fun already, just loving the colors. So I'm gonna zoom into the sidebar here. So first thing I'm gonna do with the sidebar is move this out of the way, and then just brush letter in the word sleep. Okay, I'm just gonna say this. The only thing that I don't like with starting a new planner is that there's so much stuff in the back cover that you feel it when you're writing with it. But that's just me for the first part of this planner. Where are my tweezers? Oh, right next to me. So placing one of the swatches right on top. And the pen I'm using is my Esterbrook SD in the Petrified Forest. And this actually has Taranishi Opera Rose in it. And it's a bit more coral than, gosh, it's still, hold on. It's a bit more coral than it is pink, but it's still really, really pretty. So So 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. So what I'm doing here is creating the graph where I keep track of my sleep score as well as how long I sleep. And as I get older, keeping track of that, I guess, behavior is just very important to me, because I just want to ensure that I'm a functioning human being the next day, and what I need to do in order to get the appropriate amount of sleep to be a functioning human being. So let's use one of the lighter pink ones here for workout. And I am getting back into doing my strength training, because I hadn't done them in a few weeks just due to my shoulder. But I'm gonna write just Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, days of the week, and then I will fill in my workouts as I do them. Perfect. And now I feel like there's room down here to add another strawberry. So why not? There we go. Okay, so let's zoom out. So now along the bottom, I am going to brush letter in the word meals Monday through Sunday with my Tombow Food brush pen. And then I'm going to place corresponding strawberry swatches as headers for that. And I love using these headers or as headers because one, they fit really nicely in here, but two, this makes sure that it actually matches the stickers in the spread without needing to own every Tombow color under the sun. So now that is done, I'm going to go in and write in the words work. And I'm only working 2 days this week, Wednesday and Thursday, because Monday is, I'm taking that as vacation day in lieu of Canada Day. Hard to explain, but anyway, I'm taking Monday off as vacation, but then Tuesday our contact center is closed, so I am off both of those days. So I'm going to fill in the words work on Wednesday and Thursday using my Tombow Food brush pen, and then using the strawberry swatches once again, and then using my Tombow Food brush pen to draw the arrow for my shifts. And there goes Lucy. All right, so now that that is done, I really like the colors of this spread. It's very happy, very summery with the strawberries. So yeah, I am off that day, and that day. I actually need to double check something for appointments. Hold on. All right, so I just confirmed an appointment that I have on Friday. But before I go ahead and do any of that, I'm going to, there's a huge to-do list that I have for that day. So I'm going to, but I also want to do something fun with my family that morning. So maybe I'll put the to-do list starting at 11. There's a few things I do need to get done. Things like there's an order that I need to work, 2 orders I need to work on. And then post office won't be open that day. Well, oh yes, well. And then I gotta finish a couple of collections or design, but I won't put that down yet. I'll have to meal plan. Order groceries, but also clean the bathrooms that day because I wasn't able to the day before because I wasn't here, or I won't be here. So that so far. And then Tuesday I'm gonna leave open for now because I will add in what we need to do when we need to do it. And then I also need to put out garbage. And get my garbage icon sticker here out of my sticker albums. Now, just as an aside, According to Allie came out with some new sticker albums. This is from According to Allie, and she came out with, or is coming out with, 2 new sticker albums coming out on Friday, June 7th. Same day and same time as my strawberry collection, or my new releases are coming out. but I love these so much. So there's new designs for these, and if you use the code Karina10, you can get 10% off those sticker albums. So they are fantastic. Now back to our program. Garbage stickers. I really need to reorganize my stickers into the new albums. Garbage, garbage, there you go. And placing one here. Oh, come on. Go Wednesday, and then Thursday we have groceries. Somebody reminded me, are you not picking up groceries on Thursdays anymore? I'm like, oh my gosh, I totally forgot to write that down. So from 6 to 6:30 is when my husband picks up groceries on his way home. That's so funny. I find it so funny when you guys are like, you forgot to put this down and you forgot to put this down. And I'm like, oh, I totally did. So that needs grocery cart. There we go. And then on the 7th, I will be going to Weight Watchers. And then, so 10 o'clock at Weight Watchers. And then, oh, somebody's trying to get into my office. And then immediately after that, or not immediately after that, but after that, I have an appointment, so I need my clock icons from Paper Bits Co. because I have acupuncture. And not that you guys needed to know this, but my acupuncturist is now working out of her home instead of the office, which was on the other end of the city. I now realized her home office is literally a 5-minute drive from me, and she now has appointments on Fridays, so win-win, yay. 12 o'clock with acupuncture. Cool. Then I'm not going to write down what time I'm going for bubble tea with the kids. It probably will be right after that, if they're even with me at all that day. So I'm going to put down fold lawn. Oh, wait. Filming. If I'm going to do bubble tea, then I'll put filming down here. And there will be a few things I will need to film. I can't remember them all. I think I have to do weeks, cousin, and my Galen leather. My Galen leather is actually sitting right behind me, but I haven't had the time to film the unboxing yet. It's coming. It's coming. Can't believe I haven't unboxed it yet, but it's literally sitting behind me, and I'm so excited. And then after that, I will fold laundry. Woohoo! I actually just really enjoy using that laundry sticker because it's adorable. Fold laundry. And actually, after I finish filming this, I will be going to fold laundry. All right, so then the next day is interesting because the kids will have swimming at, yeah, so kids lessons at, okay. And then after that, I think did we say 2 o'clock, Adrian? I think we said 2 o'clock. Adrian and I think, are gonna meet for bubble tea or coffee or something, and then go to Stylus. So I think these coffee stickers didn't work because they weren't cut well enough. Oh, there's one. So I'm gonna grab a coffee sticker. And then Stylus with Adrian. I don't know if I need to actually get anything while I'm there, but I will look anyway. Then Sunday, cleaning day, and getting one of my cleaning stickers. And I believe, yes, it's also bed linen day. So there's a few things here. So bed linens and bathrooms and my cabinets and appliances in the kitchen. My husband does the vacuuming and windows, and Robin will do the door handles and light switches, and then Henry goes around to get all the garbage bins. And then Henry has Ninja, and I will be working on orders that afternoon. Where is Ninja? Ninja. Oh, there. Yeah, I really do need to reorganize, or at least go through my sticker album and make sure that I have just what I need. These are cool. I've got to go get some more from Cute Cut Craft. Oh my gosh, how adorable is that? And Ninja. Perfect. Okay, that is all I can think of at the moment. I don't think there's anything else that I need to add just yet. So I can add a little bit more washi down here. Oh, it's called, I'll put down that I need to do orders when I get there. And then, wow, there is everything. And then I will put green, although green on green on green is maybe a bit much. And which strawberries? I will choose these ones for now. Oh, I like it. All right. Gosh. I really like that. What do you guys think? So fun and colorful and just very summery. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the comments below. Remember, this collection will be available as of Friday, June 7th at 9 a.m. Mountain Time. Thanks again for watching, and have yourselves a great day.